the all-new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is creatively powered by World's Betting. It is times.co.za. Sayisonga sayivala sawuqongqotha umphanda we-Betway Premiership. So eyokuqala i-Betway Premiership iphumelelwe iMamelodi Sundowns. Iqale yaqetheliswa iMamelodi Sundowns eyayibizwa intoba yi-DStv Premiership. Yaqetheliswa iSundowns yayibizwa intoba yi-Absa Premiership. In fact, the last team that won the league in this country was Bidvest in 2017 under Gavin Hunt, and then Mamelodi Sundowns won the league 8 years or 8 seasons consecutively. So that means that there's no other team that has won the league in this country except for Sundowns. So yeah, just a quick message. We are wrapping up the season. We'll be here this weekend. We'll be here next weekend for a Champions League weekend. And then the second leg of the Champions League weekend. And that will be the end of the season. It's been 10 months. We've given you what you like. You've been commenting, engaging, and loving it and taking the videos legally and illegally. It's the end now. It's the season must end. It's the end. We must go and make more children and so on and so forth. Make love with our wives, and then we come back fresh, maybe in about June, July, and that's it. That's the whole thing. It works like this. In August, we give ourselves to you for the whole season. And then up until around this time of May, then it ends. Then it must end when it ends. We can't be doing midweek matches when the season is done and dusted. Junior Kanye, thank you very much for joining us. Sundowns, 8 league titles in a row. We're talking about that now. What does that mean in South African football? How do other teams feel, as you notice? Abo Kaizer Chiefs, Abo Pirates, Abo SuperSport, Abo Cape Town City. Other ones are saying it's a farmers league. One team is winning all the time as well. And will Sundowns continue this domination for the next few years as well? Thank you very much for joining us. Yes, sir.
Just.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting Diski TV fighting one, try to fix South African football.
So he must do the first child. When you need the fourth.
No. I need to do what?
You need the fourth child. You
No, I
have
was
you have
four.
4. Sorry, you have 3 and 1. So you have 4. I have 1. I need 2 or 3 more actually, because I'm getting old. Yeah, exactly. I actually need to start praying about it because my child is 12 years. She's a girl. She's going to be 13 this year, and I can't have a sister and a brother who's 20 years apart. Like, I want another child. So, Naomi, I need 2 and 3 and 4.
You're saying it in
yeah, exactly. Like, it's a thing. I'm giving it out to the world. Like, I need another one. I think we can speak on behalf of so he doesn't need another one. Maybe Lindo Nobobo, they can add a couple more. Maybe Shane as well. So the whole team, Machagana has got a young daughter, so we need to make as many black children.
We are family people,
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you want to add 1 more to the 4 to make it 5?
And sometimes
Okay.
Sometimes yeah.
Awuvalanga, no, you haven't closed.
No, sometimes angithi uyazi direction mele ngiyithole entabeni yaseziyo.
No, ngithandazela ndoda. Keep me in your prayers.
Yeah,
I need 1.
Yeah.
I need 3, 4 children. I'm 35, so I need 4 children on top of the 1, so that I have 5 kids. But I need to have number 2 as quickly as possible. In the next 1 year.
Mina ngikhule kumani angisazenzile yonke into ngiyayicelela aqala kulasinamba uChrist yabo. Mina le ngizithandazisa, I need to be honest. Bengakacabangi anything can happen.
But you're happy to be number 5, number 6. You're not done at number 4.
No, lokho mina ngikhuluma iqiniso, umndeni siyawufuna yabo. Umndeni kunobaba umkhulu wami. I mean to say baba mncane, I think una about una 13 kids.
That's good. It's good.
And actually, munye baba mncane mbathu boy, 13 kids. No, muntu one.
We need more black people in this world.
Yeah, nkuleko mfethu, just to go straight. I'm not too sure whether this ngizokubuza kuyenzeka in the world ukuthi team. I'm not too sure ngeBayern.
iBayern ishaye 11 yaze yaphazanyiswa ku12 yiBayer Leverkusen. So iSundowns yona isithole u8. Ingafika kulo 11 or 12.
That's why I'm not too sure ngiyakhumbula ngathi Bayern.
Yeah.
It
was 11 in a row.
African football continent.
I think we can assume ukuthi Egypt njengoba idominate Al Ahly mhlambi ike yamshaya u10. I don't know. I don't know factually mara kunama league Africa la where there's only 1 big team or kulithi iqembe elilodwa. So I can assume in Egypt that njengoba Al Ahly ishaya ibhuqe kuAfrica yonkana kusho ukuthi at home they must have done 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. Which is my fear with Sundowns, is that they're going to make a record of 10 up to 15 that even they themselves, they can't break. It's going to be an unbreakable record.
So the question is in South Africa.
In this country, never.
One, it's very difficult to break a structure. Structure. Once a team, in everything, not football, once you can have a company and a structure, it's not easy to break that thing. I think complimented this guy, Caruso, the Sundowns coach. It's not easy. We are from North Africa. You come in South Africa, you find the team that the identity, the philosophy, and the type of players they brought there because of the philosophy of Nwidlala. Ufite like a calf. Ngoba mele simguy credit. The guy came, I think, being number 6 games, Sundowns, if not mistaken,
yes, 7 league matches.
Yeah, we understand. And then he came. Uthatha iqathuleni zakarulani Mgwena. The guy who set the standard so high. Spot on Rulani in everything that bekayenza. Yabo unesandla. Students saka Pitso Msimana. So Pitso, the setup I'll set it up. It's difficult to break a structure. So well done to the coach, well done to the players. Sundowns. I'm surprised that South Africa, Kulmang media and stuff, we don't upload the Sundowns as Rasi the way Kulmang Manyama team. These people they're going to Club World Cup as we speak. Club, actually, ngicela ucheck ama club ayi Club World Cup. The Agna favor. Agna go to referee, whatever somebody is pushing kune condo no. They won convincing. Eskuna ma game where referee standard of refereeing in South Africa. We can't say Sundowns or Pirates or Chiefs or SuperSport, but referee bona. They are poor. But for me, each and every game, Sundowns they play, if you can ask me now, I will say they will win. Because of indlela badlala ngayo. The way they play the way they want. Ngama department. And even players, noma bangathi manje ubheke manje kuyovula iwindow periods. Obviously season iyaphela. Mhlambi budget ikhona. Obviously Sundowns they won the league. By Champions League final now.
They're going to get a lot of money in Club World Cup. Almost $1 billion.
You understand? So they can buy whoever. But the thing is, I would market Sundowns can buy. They've got type of players that they bring in it. Leon Tole is an identity. We should identify a player that will mange kumkwena. Umkwena ken. Lo muntu lo angafika. Noma ngeke basabu umkwena. Ngachange personality, but a similar type of player. Umkwena will come, mhlambi lo muntu afike lapha hlale, and then umunye umkwena semtholile should anything eyenza ngumkwena. So leyo nto le ibalekile ilasta forever. Mangabheka ama player, ucheck age yawo Sundowns, ucheck age level of age now. And look at other teams. It's only Pirates that I can say I give. You and Abu Mshambe, for me, they are second best team. But bagu direction right Orlando Pirates. They just need somebody also figure fit with the Jose Rivera. What Jose Rivera has done, I wish they can get somebody to understand that Mafana Labut Patla Ganjan. More. So
not change the style.
Because Pirates they were on the right direction.
Yeah.
Just Rivera somewhere somehow we could show wrong. But the brand of football they're playing, for me, I'm more excited. I get an Sundowns Pirates. Obvious, but very attacking football. Minded the coach and the players. Now the way Basanama playing, no call into any chance. It's a big team like Orlando Pirates. So going to Sundowns, they hardly play among youngsters. They hardly play youngsters. Kuna mfana batu mapena kutwane litlaku. Talented players. They can play any team in Betway Premiership, start and finish for me. Baba must play, but go Sundowns succeeds. They've got seasoned players. Seasoned players, we're talking about players who break a lim mhlambe ku Betway Premiership, and then badlale week in and week out team nabo, and then Sundowns bring them. We're talking about Mkwena. Look at the age there. Society in Lake, Jaden Adams. We're talking, the list goes on. So Sundowns nguleko mfethu. Babuild the structure, Pitso, well done to him. And also credit for Patrice Motsepe to invest in football.
Yeah, for sure.
Because without your own budget, in fact, the finance, you need to invest. Credit, the president, medicine guy credit. I take out my money, but in a direction, but I need my results. And my results continuously. Continuously. not just kube into phela today kungabi fluke. So i-budget i-president kuthi
very
invest
important.
very ngoba without i-budget bengeke lonke lento yenza.
Absolutely. Let me ask you something quickly regarding the league. Sundowns winning the league. Siyibonile indlela ayiwine ngayo. How did you think they responded with threat ye-Pirates? Because when we look back to the season le, we will know ukuthi bekunesikhathi la bekunokuthuka khona ukuthi okay simthembile umqeqeshi uManqoba samnikeza ispan. And then there was a juggernaut. I was so excited when I saw Pirates doing this because we kept on saying, okay, MTN 8, you won them, but CAF and the league, please, something serious. And they took it seriously. Sundowns made a response by changing the coach in December after 7 matches. Mababona ukuthi they are number 2 ku Pirates. And we kept on talking ukuthi it's Sundowns ezishayo iona ngoba coach Manqoba seemingly wanted to change this, want to change that as well. Asikhulume ngale yonto le because maybe a lot of people have forgotten ukuthi it's not been easy this season for Sundowns. It looks easy now in the end, ukuthi it's like there was no competition, but there was a point in this league where Pirates were number 1, Sundowns were number 2.
Ilento ukuthi change coach Sundowns panickile this season. They panicked but because of Indomanias and you know yourself, knowing themselves, we are so big in Africa as a continent. We are one of the biggest in Africa as a continent. In South Africa, we're so big. Our position is there, not second best. Look at our players. So I think even the president himself, okay, sharp. My team, and I've invested a lot in this team. Change coach unnecessary ibalimaze too much. Yes, kunama dynamics, there's a lot of things happen behind the scenes singazazi. Benge bavele bamrelease uRulane naye mhlambe phela ukhumbule in business it's a give and take. So uRulane mhlambe there are things azenzile naye asisho ukuthi kunjalo. But on the field what we saw from Rulane simshayile izandla.
Absolutely.
One of the best for me, young, promising,
attacking football.
Yes, and each and every game that he's playing Matuzosha 6-7. He dominates the game. So, change coach for me, I think the players. We need to be realistic.
Kurusho Mudau wasn't playing, Mukwena wasn't playing at the beginning.
You understand? Also, players that they Nishama player, Bashale psychologically, and Michael Caruso came to Sundowns. Magafiga. But asitikale ngoManqoba Mngcithi. Manqoba Mngcithi coach Sundowns akusi easy. Omunye umuntu angacabanga ukuthi uRulane when is coaching ngoPitso is easy. To coach Sundowns is not easy. To be an assistant coach or third coach, being a third assistant coach akusi easy. Bamgayile as a head coach. They said to go reporter wena manje as a head coach. I think imshayile. Because he wanted to change things. Ufikile la wafuna amaplayer wakadlale, wathatha bona boKhurisha bebeya ngaphandle, bomkwena outside. He played abo Obas and stuff, sacrifice manje. And then the team lose a game lose. And then the result team always what you know, but drop number 2. And then by try long this thing, president at Lalapansi immediately meeting. Because the team be properly run up properly, they don't wait that much. Very big immediately meeting and then they let the guy go. And then Michel Caruso come. But also to bring Steve Komphela, I think Benze kahle naloko. Because ukusebenza naye coach bekumele athole umuntu ozoba reference, somebody that I'm consulta, not ukuthi une say but I'm consult ukuthi makunje kumele kwenzakalini. Yes, he's a coach, ama plans we finally say phuma kuye, but he needed somebody ozoba reference. He was ama player as well. And emangicheka ngikude observingly uSteve Komphela, I think une relationship right with players. Mangicheka the way he was speaking
well,
with
he's
players.
Coached you as well.
Yes, mina kale 2023 umcoachile.
Yeah.
Umuntu ofana ne that guy is like a father figure. Yabona ngeke ngambona he laugh with his own players. Ufuna coach ama player jabulile Steve ngeke ngambona with that thing. And yamsebenzela ku Sundowns. Those sikujaja ngokuthi coach obvious. Michael Caruso ukuthi ambringe, well done. Also the technical team at Sundowns. The coach did very well. He never changed his intention. Ubuyele back le nto uRulane bekayenza. He brought those players back. Abumkwena vital position. Udlala 6 umchita standing Khurisha Mudau. Brought the team le ebeyinner, and then mhlambe whoever bekabheka angebalanda umuntu beyangayibukeli team mhlambe couple of games wabukelile went back uTasalini madoda. I mean you guys and try langulisha, and then it did obvious kunentazi etile kuleka. Need to be honest to you, one team Sundowns bangicheck mina there's discipline at Sundowns. Yeah, there was discipline for me. Because if body language yakho umkwena after Rulani ko nami ngiyayiquestion. Ngizoba nevar.
Yeah.
Mina.
They didn't look happy.
Yeah, baningi akusuye one. Yabona, I'm just mentioning the guy because he's more of a leader with him. Ngiyabheka body language yakhe I think beyangekho right. And coach uthe makafika emphasize discipline. But none of that lento enzo Rulani, I think he was doing it. Yes, but if I didn't them most maba nevar sonke. These guys no more score against them, they're not going to panic. We are born it's a North African then they Rulani for me. I don't think you could allow that way Pirates. Though you get a I know. But the Pirates the way Minangibona Babadala always like in general game they 2-1 FNP. For me, Pirates dominated that game. For me, they won, but they dominated the game. Pirates. Sometimes always no matter they dominate the game. So Rulani beyang I voom good I play and then I'm gonna sit and wait for the opponent good think or dominate me and then act as if I'm playing. So well done to coach Michel Gutangabi. Nenkani, well done to the president and the players as well. They deserve to win. Anyway.
Let me ask you about the opposition. We knew that Pirates was the closest. Maybe we will wish as well, Uguti. Because the league in Ono, Magune final day. Last split on my screen.
Yes, like
excitement.
Yeah.
It's much better. It's much better as an excitement. That's why kunombuzo manje ukuthi why abantu bengakhulumi ngeSundowns njengoba bewinile. Actually the one thing that people don't realize is that league ikhulumisa mase competitive like when we are all going to the second last or the last singazi ukuthi kuzowina bani. Where is the competition coming from Sundowns? We saw with Pirates that's why I keep on saying thanks Pirates. We saw a league title race maybe until about January, February. Until Sundowns shy Pirates and Loftus. That's when I started to think this is over. When Pirates, I think they lost 4-1 or 4-0, something like that. Where is the competition coming from as we look forward to next season for Sundowns?
You ask the question, if we have competition. Yeah.
Competition. Because we can assume Uguti Sundowns is open the winner foot. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that assumption. Yeah. They've been winning. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that assumption. But where will the competition, if anyone can even think about smelling the league title, because that's the most difficult one. It's the most difficult to win because it's 30 matches. Yeah. You can't just win 3 matches and then you go in the final and you win.
Marathon.
Yeah, but it's that it tests you. It tells you the real winner of this country.
Yeah.
Where can the competition come from?
Yeah, obvious Pirates from here. I wish we could their pet after losing the Champions League second round.
The semi-final.
Semi-final. Also being number 2. Closest. You understand? The difference is 6 points, if not mistaken. Should Sundowns win all the games? Now Pirates, should they win all their games? Different will be 6 points. Going forward, they mustn't lose the games. Australia so they must bring a coach who also timaga figure nga shintinteni. Also at the depth. Philosophy keep the same. Then yes, you can add maybe tactics and stuff. Win the games that all the games. Let me put it that way. All the game you must dominate. You can't rely on breaks and stuff. Sometimes when they play, they dominate the game. There's build up, there's midfield. They dominate you, they train you, and then they finish. Even if you score, they don't panic. So I think the coach that will come, similar like Rivero. Believe in those youngsters. I want to listen according to his strengths.
Yeah.
And make sure because Sundowns is still there in the league. Win a game, but all the teams.
I think it's getting, you make it a good point. It's getting to a point where in order to beat Sundowns, you must pull 30 games, you must only lose 3. You must only lose 3 matches, pull 30. It's getting difficult.
Yeah, I understand.
Because the Pirates I think they won consecutive matches. Yes. It's 8 or 9. There was too many wins, but it's like you just lose 1 or 3 matches. You are out of the picture because they keep on winning.
I understand. So the coach that will come and say, I'm not going to change anything here. So add players. Go be depth. Badlala 11-1 for me. And on the bench, not much. I'm a player. Sometimes I'm a sub 20 player. But next for the past 6 months or 5 months, and then we play him now. We can't video happy. Where's Shandu come from? And I'm like, this is a good Champions League, even semi-final. So the coach must come and say, I own these players. I'm going to add. It's him 11 string. You understand? And even understand if I bring whoever, I'm going to sacrifice all I'm saying to do. Let other players go. You keep the 11 Let other players go, FPS ngawazi. And then you bring players fresh who deserve to play for Orlando Pirates. Who can come and fit njengabo Mfukeng bona bonkote and stuff. Abo Tito Maswangai, all I'm saying. Abo Smith. Yes, there is Mbogazi, the list goes on, China. And also win as usual. Mina ngisayiphinda. Not 27 at all the games.
You must assume that you must win all the matches.
The aim ukuthi I'm going to beat Sundowns. I'm going to beat Sundowns away as well. Because Sundowns when Amadla now is going to beat you. It's shoot. Tina, we're not going to sit back. We're going to beat these people. Home and away. And I think the mindset is okay. And how they beat your opponent, I think it's a very important. By Tatala about Nkalingisho mina. I want to to a problem me Pirates. Not the yes, mina ngizwile nasestudio edidipation mina this thing even says in Kalut Sundowns they're going to win the league. How they play the Pirates questionable amanyama games. There are games where Shady Zandla are checking football, they dribble pass, Sundowns what we born leon. Though not to say abanayo, those players, abadlali those players go Sundowns. Go Pirates, you know good there's Nkota, there's Mfukeng, there's Tito. You know good you'll get that week in and week out. But once those players get injured, or once they play against better opposition, can they apply themselves now? Because Mabadlan and Sundowns, they're not themselves even now. They lose the Makemeka Melang about lose about Stellenbosch, can you imagine? Marumo Kalans, how can you lose that? Because of Indlele Glala. But the way you win might determine your future. The way even you lose determine your future. So I think going forward, the code that they must bring.
Is Pirates the only one that you see that can be close? Because they were close this season, obviously.
Mina. For me, it's Pirates, but I don't think Sundowns will allow this season. I'm sure now with the eyes open. And it's eyes open. The way they want to start going forward, I'm sure they're going to start with high notes. It's eyes open. They won because they deserve. It's one of the best teams in Africa as a continent. Anyway, I don't care who says what is true. Numbers don't lie. Even the way they play, even the players that they bring there, even they brought about Jaden Abrams, about Kipidudo, about Lali, players that they brought. In Kinga, game, Gukpendula, I don't see other team ngaphandle Pirates. Because the Pirates,
that's the healthiest team other than Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's the closest one to Sundowns.
Yeah. Yes, Chiefs well done, they beat them. Manje go Nedbank, but every time
you can't count on Chiefs school league.
Yeah, as ngisho, it's Pirates about beat. Sometimes about beat in second round. Yeah, league, FNP. If I think the game was FNP. So it's close to Sundowns and Saipinda. It's all on the part, but now. This year, sometimes I'm sure they're going to go extra mile. When we playing sometimes, man, I find the structure is powerful. The planning, even the powerhouse, the finance, it's so important. Part they've got money. They can, Babuni see, they brought players with Bagwas, they can, if Bafuna. So I think they need to bring players who can come and add the value, who can make those players but 7 extra mile. Double player effort in Kulmangala match. But if Bazwanga the squad, hoping bring 1 or 2. Sundowns is something they will do. Gunama player that they will bring, and then the competition will be so high. Remember, who stands, and not on the bench, go Sundowns. Guna team that can play. Go Betway Premiership also dominating. So I see Pirates only. I'm a team. Guna Makaten pay some money. Most of Betway team.
Let's wrap it up. Let's close the video. How many more years? So it's number 8 now in a row.
Yeah.
In fact, go history Premiership, PSL iqala ngo-96 ewinwa yi-Manning Rangers. At the beginning of 1996-97, uqala kwa PSL yawinwa Manning Rangers. It was 29 years. Kule 29, i-15 year Sundowns, i-14 yawo wonke amanye amaqembu. Kusho ukuthi it's 4 from Pirates, 4 from Chiefs, 1, 2 abanye nabanye SuperSport. If you remember under Kevin Hunt, they won 3 as well. Sundowns is at number 8 now. How much more? How much more do you think? Can it go to 15? Which I think, if Sundowns even get to 10, I think that record will not be broken since C14, like in our lifetime. In our lifetime. Yeah, well, in our lifetime, because it's going to last for maybe another 50 years. Yeah. How much more do you think? The next 2, I think next season you can assume they're going to go to 9. Like they still are very strong. Maybe they might even go to 10. How much more can it get?
For me, 12. I can guarantee by the pounds. That one I guarantee 12 to break that structure. Because Michel Carlos, how many years he has signed at Sundowns as well? I think 3 years, if not mistaken.
They rate their coaches based on the Champions League. You see, Miguel Cardoso ngamxaka Champions League. because it's a final. You can win or lose, 50-50. Pyramids in a win and a win Sundowns is 50-50. If he can't win, let's say he can't win the Champions League, he goes next year, he doesn't win the Champions League, you can rest assured that he won't come back the other season.
But I can assure you, Pizzo, not Pizzo, Rulani Mkwena. If he doesn't go to one of the teams, he's going to go back. I don't think they will bring somebody who understand the club. It's not going to last if he come there. They don't waste time. They invested a lot in football. You understand? So, but they're doing right things in future. They don't waste coach puming a track, a crown. No. They invested a lot in Kulego. So they bring somebody that will come in the video. They give games and then they see, and even credit for the director. Yes, director to bring former players that have done well in their career, not just ngikhuluma ngabo Teko Mdise, Tiane Mabunda, Hlampo Kekane, yabo Katle Khomawuta uyambona naye there. The list goes on. Yabo
Godfrey Sapula is with the women's team.
You understand, and also M Tigers is there. Nabo Semba Chabakhona pedagogy development. So it development are strong as well. In the development in Kulmang under 18 Sundowns, the one who won the engine 2 years ago, those players Mongababona, you can be shocked. So
you're saying they will go up to 12.
12 for me. That one I can't because the structure was fully structured. Then the baby is on a structure. Football is worse. It's not going to be easy somebody to come and break the structures of Sundowns. It's not going to happen overnight. The coach in Jobang issue, as usual, maybe Michael Caruso now at the Champions League final is not going to win next year. If it doesn't win, they release. But whoever that you're going to bring, assess it properly. If it's not going to do well in 5 games, it's going to be released. They bring somebody, they do right things. Always but they get themselves in the right track. Abasithola space in the right. So abayenza izinto njengamama team mina ngibabona baku 14 I'm fit ukuthi khona uzocompete nawo. And even next year mina ngibabona baba stronger. I think Michael Cardoso mawuqala pre-season ne team is going to be so competitive even himself. Now you set the standard. It's not easy to maintain, Pela. To maintain is not going to be easy for him. Everybody want to play against him, you want to beat him. So who's going to beat him and I'm playing Ngagu National? Pedi National like who? Nebafana is set the standard. Under 20 is going to Club World Cup and qualify. Under 17 they're going to World Cup as well. Yeah. So Nebafana set the standard. And because of Sundowns players, we can't die. Why we have to run away? So credit to Sundowns. I see them dominating. Until 2012. Not 2012, for 12 times, you can come and ask me again. But next year, they're still going to convince. I'm convinced they're going to win, even that other year as well.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Yeah, that's Mamelodi Sundowns' 8 consecutive league titles. They've won more league titles than all the other teams combined in the PSL era. So in 29 years, they've won 15 and everyone else has won only 14. In this era that we're in, one day our children are going to come back and watch our videos. We can tell you now that there's only one team that are kings of South African football. The league is a national championship. It's the most important trophy in every country, the league, because you play the most matches there. You play other teams twice, so that if you beat them once, if it was a mistake or a fluke, you beat them again, and then you get those points and you accumulate them. And I think that even if next year someone could win, which used to happen under Pizzo, that someone would win in 2015 and Pizzo come back and win 2016. Verds win in 2017, Pizzo comes back to win 2018. Even if someone by somehow, even if it was Paris this season, I would still believe that Sundowns will win again next season. Because you can have a bad season, but then the stronger team will come back again and win. And this is where we are now in South African football. Sundowns will probably win next year and probably the year after as well, with the age of that team. If they maintain the good technical team, they'll probably win, unless someone does something extraordinary. Because Paris had a fantastic season. They didn't lose too many matches, but they lost enough to not be in the title running. Itiskiti Times was sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.